Hello everyone, I am Neeraj Munot, and in this video I am going to show you how you can build custom algos using fewer lines of code and how you can make it work across multiple brokers and how you can efficiently manage it using a tool that I have worked on for last 1 year. So this tool is basically spark.maticalgos.com and it can basically allow you to build custom algos and it can help you out to manage it more efficiently. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. Over here I have all the trading accounts that I have present. All of them are linked over here, and you can also see the strategies that are currently trading on in my account. So first of all, when you sign up on this website, you need to go on the connections and accounts and you need to add an account. So over here I've already added multiple accounts, and your account session can be easily managed using this generate code button. So we also have API endpoints that you can use to generate code. So generating code is basically manages the session of your trading account, which is connected with the platform. So now once you activate the trading in any account, you can place order via the platform once the account is activated. Till time it is not activated, the platform cannot execute orders. Like, you can't execute orders via the platform unless and until it is activated. And these are the strategies. So currently I have two strategies which are running live right now. So you can see in the dashboard. So this is my live account of Shunya, and this is the overall PNL for today. And if you want, you can also see the PNL for this particular strategy, which is OP by 30, and this particular strategy. So this strategy got squared off at around 12 to 22. So after that the PNL is flat, but apart from that the second strategy is still active. So you can see the PNL curve for it. Right, in the same way, if you go into the strategy view, you can just compare how the strategy is performing, and let's say if you have any slippages compared to the forward testing account. So you can also add a paper trading account here, and this is the comparison of my paper trading account with my Shunya account. And this is the comparison for another strategy which is already closed. See, so this is the particular difference. So we got a 30 rupee slippage today, so not a big deal. But now we'll come to the accounts. So as I said, for example purpose, what I'll do is I'll add a test broker. So I'll name it test1, and you can also add the Telegram bot keys and bot ID. So what it basically does is that after you add these bot keys and bot ID, you can actually keep it separate for all the accounts that you have, or else you can also put in the same bot key and bot ID. Once you input it, let's say if any order has any issues or if it has any errors, you'll get an update on your Telegram bot. So right now I'll just leave it blank and I'll add the broker. So you can see that the test1 broker is added, and now I'll go to the strategy and I'll name this strategy as test strat 1. So you don't have to write any description. I'll write the strategy type as intraday and add this strategy. So strategy name is nothing but a tag which is linked with your trading account. So any order that comes in with the tag of your strategy name gets executed across all the trading accounts that are linked. So now we need to link the strategy with the trading account. So over here I'm going to select the strat1, and we are going to select this test1 account, and we are going to keep the multiplier as 1, and we are going to add this linkage. So once it is linked, you can see that it is inactive right now. I can just activate it, and now any other account that is linked with this strategy, the order will get executed in that account as well. So right now we're just going to showcase it with a single account. So let's just cancel it. So yeah, now we'll go over here and we'll generate the code for the paper trading account. So we'll click on generate code. So you can see that the login has been done. And once we click on activate, the trading will get activated. And here you can see a quick option of the strategies that are linked with this account. So currently this is already activated. So it is active, and then we'll click on activate account and the trading has been activated. So now what we'll do is we'll go to our Python program, and I'll explain you in brief how you can actually build an algo using this particular setup. So let's just go into the spider, and you can see that I've added my API keys here. So this is the dedicated Python package of Spark, and you can also learn more about it using docs.maticalgos.com. Over here I've mentioned all the documentation of the website which you can use to build your algos. You can scale your algos using this. So the important part, that is the trading setup. This we have already done in this video. And now the second part is the symbol format. So you can trade across any broker using the platform, and you just have to mention the symbol in the format that we have given you. So this format is basically similar to that of the angel broking, and also most of the brokers out there have a similar format, but you can also follow through and learn about this. So basically the format is exchange and the token. So token is a unique token which is allocated to like all the scripts that are being traded in the exchange. And what you can do is like you can just get tokens related to this SBI and NSE as the exchange. You can also find the expiry date. So we'll see the example right now over here. So let's say, so what we need to do first is we need to put in our API keys. So I'll just go into the setting, I'll copy my API keys and I'll paste these API keys over here. Now what I'll do is I'll just run these 3 lines and I'll log in into the Spark account. So once it is logged in into the Spark account, we've also imported this historical data library. So once we initiate this library, you can fetch the historical data and the quotes data from any broker, and you'll get that data in the same format. So we'll just fetch the data for Nifty, whose token is NSE 26000, and you can see that we've gotten the data. So yeah, so this is how it works basically. And now what we'll do is I'll show you a way in which you can find the token. So let's set the underlying as Nifty, and now we'll find the tokens for Nifty. So for that purpose, you just need to run this line first, and I'll show you what is the output. So this is the output that we get. So we get the token and we also get the exchange segment, and we just need to join the token. So after joining the token, you can see that we get a format of this is NSE 26009, which is similar to what we have over here. So after that, we'll find the expiries for NSE, and we'll find the expiry for Nifty, and we'll set the weekly expiry as the current week's expiry. And for that purpose, we just need to run this line, and you can see that we've gotten the expiry date as well. And we'll now find all the tokens which are available on Nifty for this particular expiry date. So yeah, we've gotten all the tokens. So you can see all the strikes and everything, every data related to the current week expiry of Nifty is available here. So now what we'll do is we'll use the Shunya account that I have linked on the platform, and using that account I'll find the current price of the underlying, that is Nifty. So I didn't run this account, so the variable was not allocated. So now you can see that we've gotten the LTP. So you can get the similar LTP using the FireSwan account. So this is the FireSwan account that I had linked. So in the connections, you can see I have my Fires account linked, I have my IFL account, I also have Angel account. So using any of the account, you can just run the code and you'll be able to get the LTP using your broking account. So only issue is present with Kotak because they don't really provide the historical data. Like as far as we've searched, we didn't find any good quality historical data. If you have any examples of it, you can let us know. We can link it with the platform as well. So after we've gotten the LTP, I'll just get the LTP out from the dictionary, and we'll find the at the money price. So this is the ATM of as per the LTP. And after finding the LTP, I'll just find the call and put for this given LTP. So we already have the tokens for Nifty options for the current week expiry. So using all the tokens, I can just query via using this list comprehension. I can just find the current week, current ATM strike price. So if I just run this, you can see that we've got the 2 tokens. And after getting the tokens, I'll also run this line to get the LTP. So now we also have the live LTP of the tokens, and we've also gotten the tokens in which we need to place the order. So now that we've received all this data, what we can do is we can just go and place order. So over here we just need to mention the strategy as the test strat 1, and in all the accounts where the test strat 1 is present, it will just start punching order. So it will punch order as per the API call, right? And let's say if there are multiple accounts that are linked in this test strat 1, all the orders will be placed parallelly. So once we call this API call, so orders will be placed parallelly into the accounts in which test strat 1 is connected. So currently it is just linked with test 1 account. So in the demo we can just see, so currently we are just placing a limit order. We can also place the specialized limit order using this order operations. So what order operations does is that it just keeps a track of your like time limit. So from the time you have placed the order, it will keep a track, and once the time is crossed, it will either execute the order if the should execute parameter is true, or it will just cancel the order. In the same way, price buffer works. So the order that you have placed as per the limit price, let's say you put a price buffer of 5 rupees. So if the current price goes above 5 rupees, and then using the price buffer option, it will just execute or cancel as per the should execute parameter. So currently we'll not go into the order operations, and we'll just place a simple order using like the limit prices. So yeah, you can see that the order have been placed, and you can get a WebSocket update instantly. So let's go now. So you can see that in the test1 account, there is some PNL running over here, and we can also control this entirely. If we, let's say if we just want to square off this entire account, we can just do that. So let's go and check the order book. So in the order book, you can see that, so you can see the test1 account here, and both the orders have been executed. So you can re-execute this order, let's say if you want to do that, or we can also just square off any of the orders using the single square off method. Like just if I just want to square off a single position, I can just do that, or I can just click over here and square off the entire position. So if this is selected, I can just click on square off, and all the position will get squared off. So you can see like it has been squared off. And we can also, let's say now we want to deactivate the account, since we don't want any new orders to go through in this particular account. So if I just deactivate it, so now the account has been deactivated. So no new order will go through in this particular account once it is deactivated. And there is another feature that you can use, which is the trade feature. So you can directly place orders in this using Spark via this trade functionality. So once you directly, you can add the symbol, you can set the account name. So this is just a experimental feature that we have added so that you can try out the order execution through Spark within few minutes. So over here we need to write the code, we need to test the code, but if you can directly place order across multiple accounts through this trade feature as well. And now coming to the analytics part. So this is the entire analytics of all the accounts that are linked of 1 month actually. And let's say if you want to just see the analytics of the Shunya account, you can just go and see over here. If you want to see of the forward tester account, you can just go and check what are the stats. So, and you can also select a single strategy, or if you want to see the statistics of the 2 strategies, you can also do that. So this doesn't include your transaction cost. This is just transaction cost, and the brokerage is not included here right now. We directly get the prices that have been traded. So all this data is available. You can also check the drawdown period, and we can also see the trades that have been taken, right? So this is how it actually works. And yeah, so this is the entire tutorial. So we'll just see what is the PNL going on. So this is the forward tester account, and yeah, so market just gave a bit of a fall, and we had position open in put. So that it is giving us some money right now. So it is just testing that is going on right now. So yeah, so this is how the product works. And if you have any doubts regarding this, or if you want any help building your own custom algos, you can reach out to us. We can you just need to have the logic. So Spark also comes in with the data fetching ability. So in the Python package, we also have added this order socket. It gives you the data of the order. There is another thing that is added in the MaticAlgos, which is the order which is the live data feed. So this is the ZMQ handler. If you just import this, you can fetch real-time data from any of the trading account that is linked with the Spark platform. So it can easily help you out to stream data from, let's say, multiple brokers at a time or multiple accounts at a time. And we've also mentioned the limits that are present as per the broker conf. And like accordingly, you can subscribe to multiple tokens across multiple brokers, and you can manage your real-time data easily. So in the next tutorial, I'll explain you how you can set it up and how you can push the minute data directly into Redis using this particular application. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me directly. Thank you.